Answer writing is an art of structuring the content. If you write one answer daily or two answers daily, you will be writing around 900 answers approximately. 500 से 900 आंसर्स आप लिख सकते हो. आंसर राइटिंग रेगुलरली, you will know that कि whatever the teacher is teaching, whether he is ensuring that syllabus complete हो रहा है, or is it something like teacher कुछ और पढ़ा रहा है और UPSC कुछ और ही पूछ रहा है. Major problem that we have when we start preparing for GS or say optional as such, we think that कि पहले syllabus खत्म हो जाएगा फिर आंसर लिखेंगे. So answer writing आप छोड़ते हो and thinking that कि with the finishing of the syllabus when I'll start doing the answer. Actually this is a way of your brain to postpone. Okay, वो comfort zone से बाहर नहीं निकलना चाह रहा, and that's why the brain is trying to give you the reason not to write the answers. कि it will try to tell you that कि एक बार syllabus खत्म होगा तभी तो अच्छे answers लिख पाएंगे. No, answer writing is a different thing. Remembering something is very different thing. You don't need to remember things to write the answer. Answer writing is an art of structuring the content. Okay, अब वो content तो आपके पास notebook में भी पड़ा हुआ है. You can develop that art from the very first day of your class. You don't have to wait that the syllabus will end and then I will start answer writing. आप पहले दिन से शुरू करो. आप रोज एक दो आंसर्स लिखो, so that in the entire journey of the preparation of 1.5 years, or say when you are reading for around 450 days, if you write one answer daily or two answers daily, you will be writing around 900 answers approximately. 500 से 900 आंसर्स आप लिख सकते हो. 500 से 900 आंसर्स मींस अप्रोक्सीमेटली 100 आंसर्स और 150 आंसर्स फॉर ईच ऑफ द सब्जेक्ट, 2 optional and GS 1 2 3 4, and writing like 150 answers for each of the subject, you will have written answers for almost every important topics that have been asked in the mains. अब आपने एक टॉपिक पे एक आंसर लिखा हुआ है, you have created some kind of structures, so what will happen that it will become easier to recall. Plus you will develop muscle memory कि आपने लिखा हुआ है, it will become, so आपको बिना सोचे आप लिख पाओगे. Plus the skill of answer writing that will improve like anything. एक ही चीज को आप 400 दिन 450 दिन कर रहे हो. Imagine the kind of command you will have after 450 days if you have written 2 to 3 answers every day. And imagine you are doing it for 2 months 3 months only, or maybe किसी टेस्ट सीरीज को ज्वाइन करके बस आप कर रहे हो. If you are not doing it daily, you will never feel confident about the answer writing. So make sure that whatever you read in the class, whatever you read every day, you ensure that कि उसके जो PYQ हैं prelims वाले वो भी करें, और साथ साथ PYQs जो मेंस वाले हैं, मेंस में अगर इससे रिलेटेड कोई क्वेश्चन आया है तो I should be able to write an answer on this. तो इससे that will make sure that your topic is getting completed also. आपको एक टॉपिक का कंप्लीशन का आइडिया कब होगा? Not because you have read some content on that topic, but if you are able to answer all the questions that have been asked related to that topic in the previous year questions. Okay, so आपको प्री में जो पूछा गया क्या उस टॉपिक से सवाल आप सारे आंसर कर पा रहे हो? आंसर इज यस, तो आपने वो टॉपिक कंप्लीट कर लिया. मेन से जो सवाल पूछे गए उस टॉपिक से रिलेटेड, इफ यू आर एबल टू आंसर द क्वेश्चंस, द आंसर इज यस, you will be able to finish, say that means that particular topic is complete from your end. So make sure that you start answer writing from the very first day that you start your preparation, rather than waiting for the right time to begin. Okay, or waiting for the syllabus to end and then starting answer writing. Okay, plus आप कहीं पे भी क्लास करोगे, that will make sure कि आप अपने टीचर को अकाउंटेबल रख सको. क्योंकि अगर आप आंसर राइटिंग नहीं कर रहे हो, you are not seeing the PYQs, in that case you don't know what part of the syllabus is being covered, how much of it is being covered, whether it is being covered adequately or not. But if you're seeing the PYQs, if you're answer writing regularly, you will know that कि whatever the teacher is teaching, whether he is ensuring that syllabus complete हो रहा है, whether it is relevant or adequate as per the paper that is being asked in the UPSC, or is it something like teacher कुछ और पढ़ा रहा है और UPSC कुछ और ही पूछ रहा है. Okay, so please make sure that you do the answer writing the very first day when you start your classes.